Welcome to the Beebe Farm 48-hour. Left Bakersfield last night, got into JFK, New York this morning, and now I'm here in Vermont at the 48-hour race with Adam in the Northeast Trail. This is the course. Has porta potties on the course. Two there, 8/10 of a mile. Go down there, go all the way around here. Nice big loop. There are race directors. We even have a red barn. Beautiful mountains here. Super cool facility. Gonna be USTF sanctioned. Mike Melton doing the timing. They do have race day registration, so if you're in the area, hit them up and come to this race. It's gonna be a really nice race. Just getting stuff set up. I haven't been in Vermont since I was like a little kid. I was born in Maine back in 1963. Definitely a beautiful place. Very green. So, glad I came out here. Looking forward to the race.